Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm super excited to talk about a new capability we're planning to add in Halal Accounts really soon, which is HalalAccounts AI. Now, as many of you know, Halal Accounts is a very comprehensive ERP. It allows you to manage different aspects of your businesses like time tracking, like accounting, periods, journal entries, clients and invoices, staff and payroll, tax policies, attendances, leave requests, you name it. And I'm currently using it as the CEO of the Small Square, and I'm managing my agency directly in Halal Accounts as well. But usually the challenge that comes with especially multiple employees, different types of capabilities that we've offered here is I just want to get an answer really quickly in a matter of seconds on some of the things that I just know exist in the platform. Like, for example, how many hours did Talha charge for a particular client? Now, I don't want to go into time tracking or my reports and then go to filters, anything along those lines. So with this in mind, we have HalalAccounts AI. Now you can just directly go to HalalAccounts AI and ask it certain questions. Like, for example, I can ask it, how many hours did I charge in March 2026, which is the current month, let's say. But if I wanted, I could have done that for a previous month as well. Now I can see that I have a total of 14 hours here. But I can see that it went ahead and gave me, okay, for website redesign, you spent this much hours, and for SaaS development, you actually went ahead and spent this much hours. So I have that visibility in front of me. I can also ask it, how many invoices are in the sent state right now, which we haven't received payment on, right? It's sent to the client, but it's not accepted. Like, we haven't received payment on that, which is really important. Now I can see that there are 5 invoices that are currently sent. Now, for example, I can check if we have received any particular payments on these invoices, and I can mark them as paid. So it's really easy to keep a track of things. I don't even have to go to invoices or choose filters and choose clients and any of that. I can see all of my daily report directly here. Not only that, we actually wanted to make it much more broader than that. For example, create an invoice for $75,000. Sorry, let's just make it a bit reasonable. $15,000 for Capsule Corp for monthly design retainer, and due date is next week or something along those lines. I can just ask that. I don't have to go to invoices to create a new invoice, to choose the client, to add those details. It's just going to go ahead and actually add those details for me. So if I open it, as you can see, it's being built to Capsule Corp. We have the monthly design retainer for $15,000, and we have all of these details here. I can mark it as sent and basically just get on with my work. So we have all of these amazing capabilities, and obviously I can do more. Like, for example, I can ask it to, what else do we want to do? Like, maybe create a task in Capsule Corp for, I don't know, website revamp, and assign it to me. Let's see. I'm just going to do that, and let's see if it actually does that, because Capsule Corp is a client, right? But it has multiple projects. It seems there are no active projects. So again, there's no active project for Capsule Corp. So it's like, do you want to create a new project for the website revamp? Yes. Create it as a brand redesign. So again, a project needs to be created first before you can actually assign it a certain task. So it's going to go ahead and now create this particular project in front of us. And then, as you can see, the brand redesign project has been created, which we can click on, and then the task website revamp has also been created. So we have these project tasks, and we have this particular website revamp task, and it should be assigned to me as well. Like, we have all of these details, all of these things directly created just like that. So again, I'm pretty excited to be launching this soon. We just have to fix a few corner cases, make sure everything's working correctly, so we can actually have this in front of you, in your hands. And I would love to get feedback if there's something else that you would like to see in Halal Accounts that is going to provide more value to your businesses. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Take care. Bye.